Hi everyone, today we're making this super cute and squishy cloud keychain. Here's what you'll need. Yarn, white cotton blend yarn, like YarnArt Jeans. Hook, 2.5mm crochet hook. Eyes, 6 or 8mm safety eyes. Filling, Fiberfill stuffing. Tools, stitch marker, yarn needle, a keychain ring, and some pink yarn or blush for the cheeks. Part 2. The foundation, oval base. We'll start by creating an oval base. Round 1. Chain 10. Starting from the second chain from hook, 8 SC, 3 SC in the last chain. Work on the other side of the chain, 7 SC, and 1 ink in the last stitch. Total, 20 STS, round 2 to 1 ink, 7 SC, 3 ink in a row, 7 SC, 2 ink. Total, 26 STS. Part 3, Shaping and Face Details. Now, let's give our cloud some height. Rounds 3 to 5. SC in each stitch around. Placement. Insert the safety eyes between rounds 4 and 5, about 5 to 6 stitches apart. The smile. Use black thread to embroider a small, happy smile right between the eyes. Part 4. Creating the puffy look. To get those iconic cloud curves, we'll work multiple stitches into a single loop. We'll use a combination of single crochets and half double crochets to create the bumps on the sides. Make sure to keep your tension consistent for a clean look. Part 5. Stuffing and closing. Before closing the gap, stuff the cloud firmly with Fiberfill. Use your hook or a pencil to push the stuffing into the corners so it looks extra fluffy. Then, use your yarn needle to sew the remaining stitches closed using the front loops only. Part 6. Final touches. Lastly, add some pink blush or small pink stitches just below the eyes for the cheeks. Attach your keychain ring securely to the top, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting from Amyliva Handmade.